Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can download CapCut PC. So you are going to type in CapCut.com on the browser area. I'm just going to log out first so that you guys can see the home page of it all. And then here, there's a free all-in-one video editor for everyone to create anything anywhere. You're just going to select download, and it's going to basically download the CapCut app, and you're just going to simply install it, and then you'll be able to use CapCut PC. For the pro version, you do need the account for it, but yeah, that is it. That's how you can download the app. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!